Hey guys, FHDTV here, and recently I got my hands on a Poseidon Z Ttesports mechanical keyboard. Now today I'm going to be reviewing this keyboard for you guys, and as you all know it's December, so also we have a bunch of new reviews coming up from the upcoming presents, and I'll be unboxing and reviewing them all for you after Christmas, so keep an eye out for those videos. So this keyboard is mechanical and uses a kind of switch that you may not or may have heard of. This particular keyboard uses pale blue switches. These switches almost sound and feel identical to Cherry MX blue switches. The only main difference is these switches are manufactured in China and not Germany, so these switches are cheaper and some switches feel lighter than other switches. This doesn't bother me a whole lot since this is my first mechanical keyboard. I've typed on the Razer Black Widow and many other mechanical keyboards with Cherry MX switches, but the only thing that set me away from buying them is the price. I'd say it is a great keyboard for starters that want to have a mechanical keyboard because of the price. I got this keyboard on Amazon for $65. The Razer Black Widow is $140, so it's way more expensive. This keyboard was very, very well priced for a mechanical keyboard. The keyboard includes rubber grips on the bottom and also on the feet that flip out. This keyboard will not slide around your desk at all. Then on the top right corner you have a Windows key enabled and a Windows key disabled button, which turns on and off the Windows key so when you're gaming you don't bump it on accident and you go all rage crazy on your computer. This is a full-size keyboard, so you get the number pad, full-sized arrow keys, everything. Not only does this keyboard have a fantastic price and it's mechanical, but also the mechanical switches have a 5-year warranty. So you're paying $65 for pale blue mechanical switches, a full-sized keyboard. It is blue backlit, by the way, and it has a 5-year warranty. Now talking about the backlight, on the back of each key there is a little light, LED light. It only lights up blue, but it does have 4 different brightness settings. There is off, 1 brightness, 2 brightness, 3, and 4. So these are, you can't really tell the difference that much, but it is a really good keyboard in my opinion, and I do enjoy it. Just so you can get a better sort of idea what this keyboard sounds like with a better and more clear mic, I'm going to type for you just really quick right now to let you know what it sounds like. So it's a really nice sounding mechanical keyboard. Now this is full size, like I mentioned before, US layout, and I would recommend this to any starter mechanical keyboard user that wants to get a mechanical keyboard. For that fact, anybody who wants a mechanical keyboard, I recommend this one to you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for 228 subscribers, and as always, I hope to see you in the next video.